be on the tour of homes in the spring.
Okay.
So, you know, doing some things. Well, having you all do some things.
Beautiful.
Okay, great. Looks like it's all set.
All righty.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Miss Kathleen. I greatly appreciate you again. Let me come by and do more work for you.
Okay.
Thank you, Ruby. Thank you, pretty girl.
You all do.
Hey, what's up, guys? Today is October the 2nd on a Thursday. We are out here in Atlanta. This is the residence of Miss Kathleen. I actually did her floors about 2 weeks ago. She was so happy having me come back to do her Brazilian cherry porch floors, nice wraparound porch. We went and did 2 in-home consultations this morning. One was in Gainesville, one was in Beaufort. They both went very well. Screen, recoat, color correction, UV cure, and the other one's just going to be screen and recoat with UV cure and also granite countertops. October, guys, you know, usually looking at my year to year, October is usually one of our best months going into the holidays, and I'm already booked out for almost 2.5 weeks. I booked 2 jobs today, the consultations that I did recently. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we got going on this beautiful day. All right, guys, so if you go back and watch the video, I was out here about 2 weeks ago. Christian and them, they moved Miss Kathleen's furniture. So what we're going to be doing, this is a Brazilian cherry porch floor. Just really has a lot of worn areas to it, as you can see here, through here. So it's giving it a little nice rough. Now I will say one of the good things about this porch, it doesn't have a lot of gaps in most of the porches that I have done in the past. So we got some missing here, and all through here. See all this wear? So we're just gonna bring it back to life, guys. All right, guys, I'm going ahead and get started. My phone is ringing. Stay tuned. Truman Services.
Tell you Atlanta in the house. Truman, Hardwood on the rise. One day shine, baby. Look at these floors come alive. Courtney Lee in Atlanta, laying down that groove with the Recoat, got the ultra UV move. Same day service, watch the magic unfold. From worn out wood to a shine pure gold. Say your floor secure, one day cure, yeah that's right. Higher rise, kids, dolls, back on tonight. Hold down time, no down time, no waiting, that's the deal. Pull your Truman, Hardwood, baby, we keep it real. Oh, got that ultra UV light, shining strong and bright, locking in that finish, floor secure all night. From Buckhead to Midtown, we bringing that soul. One day Recoat system, put you back in control.
Oh, gas keys rolling, baseline low.
Atlanta shine,
Look at
let
that.
the hardwood glow.
Now I'm making small passes because we are outside, so that airflow is making it dry really fast. All right, but that is a
Courtney Lee
big difference. Look
got
at
the
that,
cure, it's a
All right, so
guarantee.
this is the first coat. We're gonna do 2 coats. So this floor really had
One day
no
cure, yeah that's
finish on it.
right.
All your runs,
Kids, dolls, back on tonight.
no downtime,
No downtime,
no waiting.
that's the deal.
Pull your Truman,
Hardwood, baby, we keep it real.
all your floors,
Secure,
all your runs,
Truman, Hardwood in time.
no downtime,
Oko,
no
Broco,
waiting. Pull your Truman,
oh, feels so fine. Atlanta stand tall with that one day shine. Courtney Lee bringing soul every single time.
Guys, it is a beautiful day today. We're going to have a nice mild fall. But anyway, just got back from lunch. Let's go take a look at the floor for Miss Kathleen. Oh, yeah, that looks so much better. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that, guys. Now, I will say, man, this is a... usually when I do a porch, it's usually pine or ipe. This is actual Brazilian cherry. So this is the same type of floor that you see in homes. So this is very unique. Whoever got this done really know what they wanted. But you guys can see, this looks amazing. And that's all it needed was a good screen of Recoat. Looks amazing. Miss Kathleen is happy with this. Oh yeah. All those worn areas. That's one thing I love about Brazilian cherry. Brazilian cherry has its own color, so it's not stained. You get some good finish on it, it'll just bring that color right back out. All right, nice. And of course we're walking on it because it's outside, dry really fast. All right guys, that's gonna do it. Tomorrow we have 2 consultations. And we don't have nothing Saturday yet, but I think one of the consultations tomorrow, they're moving in. And she told me she was moving in on the 11th, but I don't have anything on the available to after the 13th. So we might end up doing them Saturday. And then we also have a countertop, a marble countertop to do in the kitchen tomorrow in Atlanta. And then we have another consultation in Lawrenceville. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.